Ever stared at your budget, wondering if there's a magic button to just connect it to your real life? Like your actual bank account? You're meticulously tracking every penny, but the manual entry is starting to feel like a second job. You're thinking, surely, in this day and age, there's a way to automate this. Well, you're not alone. The question on everyone's mind, especially if you're diving into the world of budgeting, is, does YNAB, or you need a budget, link to bank accounts? Let's break it down. You've heard the buzz about YNAB, the budgeting method that promises to give you true control over your money. You've seen the testimonials, the success stories, the calm, organized budget screens. But amidst all that, the practical question lingers: how does it actually get your transaction data? The short answer is yes, YNAB does offer direct import from many banks and credit card institutions. This means you can connect your accounts and have your transactions automatically imported into YNAB. This feature is designed to streamline your budgeting process, saving you time and reducing the potential for errors that come with manual entry. However, it's not quite as simple as a one-click connection and instant budget nirvana. There's a bit more to understand. First, YNAB uses a secure third-party provider to facilitate these connections. This is a standard practice for many financial apps and services, ensuring your login credentials and financial information are handled safely. It's a key point to remember that YNAB does not directly store your bank login details. Second, while the automatic import is a huge time saver, YNAB's philosophy emphasizes active budgeting. This means you still need to categorize and approve each imported transaction. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it system. The intention is to keep you engaged with your budget, making conscious decisions about your spending. Why is this important? Because YNAB isn't just about tracking where your money went, it's about planning where it will go. It's about giving every dollar a job. The automatic import is a tool to make that process easier, not a replacement for it. Now, you might be wondering, what if my bank isn't supported for direct import? Or what if I prefer not to connect my accounts for security reasons? YNAB offers a solution for that too. You can manually import transactions from your bank's CSV or OFX files. This method provides the same level of data accuracy, albeit with a slightly more hands-on approach. Furthermore, you can always manually enter transactions as they occur. This is actually a core component of YNAB's method. Entering transactions as you spend helps you stay acutely aware of your spending habits and reinforces the give every dollar a job principle. So, to recap, YNAB offers bank linking for automatic transaction import, utilizing a secure third-party provider. It also supports manual import via file uploads and encourages manual entry as a key part of its budgeting method. The choice is yours, depending on your comfort level and preferred workflow. Ultimately, the goal is to make budgeting less of a chore and more of a powerful tool for achieving your financial goals. Whether you choose to link your accounts, manually import, or enter transactions as you go, YNAB's flexibility allows you to tailor the process to your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.